and twist.
AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is about our generator and our interlocking kit that we got put on so we can run generator power in our house. So it's Jacksonville, North Carolina, and it's winter time, and we get power outages, especially during the hurricane. So we didn't want to get those real expensive $13,000 house generators, but we did get a 13,000 watt generator for the house. Okay, it's portable, gas or propane. But there's an interlocking kit right here. Okay, we got it in our breaker box from electrical company. We have a Duramax generator. I'm gonna show you outside. Okay, so there's instructions right here, y'all. Okay, basically, look, you turn the main breaker off, turn off all the circuit breakers, slide the interlocking kit plate, which is this right here, and then you turn the generator breaker on, connect the generator, connect and start the generator, and turn on the essential circuits. Okay, so hey, let's get to it. Okay. All right, I have Anna right here. She's gonna go on filming. She's gonna be the camera girl or the camera woman. Okay, turn it around. What are you doing? Like this.
Well, I don't know.
No, I'm gonna cut that off. All right, here you go, y'all. Turn off the main circuit breaker. Bam. It's off. I'm gonna turn off all the branch circuit breakers. I'm gonna turn them all off right now. Can you see? Is there enough light?
Yeah.
All right. Slide the interlocking kit. I'm gonna slide it. Okay, now we got. Sorry, y'all. I went ahead and open up the blinds. We got light now. Slide this up. Turn the generator breaker on. Boom. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go outside. I already have the generator on. I'm gonna connect the cable to the generator. So in and twist. Now I'm gonna turn on the breaker to the generator. All right, let's go. All right, we connected and we started the generator. Now we're gonna turn all essential breakers in here. Okay, so let's turn on the lights. So where's the lights at? Number 9, number 10. Where's number 10?
They marked them red.
Right here. Lights. Bam, we got lights on, y'all. Okay, what do you want to turn on, babe?
Anything that's marked red, they marked essential.
Marked red? Okay, cool. Essential right there. Number 8 and 9. That's a heater right there. Okay, we got number 19 and 21. That's the heating. Bam, those are on. Okay. Well, any other red right there?
Yeah, one below it right there.
One below it?
Yeah. That
Got
was
23 and 25. We got the pull. All right, because it's gonna get cold, Joe, so we gotta run the pull pump. Okay. Oh, I got in there. So what Anna had these guys do, I was in here, I was at work when the electricians came to do it. They marked anything that was any essentials breakers, they marked them red. Okay, for people like me. All right. Okay, so we got that on. What else? What else we want on?
They said as needed. So if we needed something Like, say we wanted to cook, we could turn that on for a little bit.
The kitchen, number 5.
Yeah, so if we
Okay,
wanted coffee.
turn the kitchen on. Okay, the washer, number 7. All right. The refrigerator, 27. Let's keep that on. And yep, generator, that's that right there. Okay.
So if we wanted to shower, we would have to turn on the hot water heater. But they said that we don't have to keep it on because it would have enough hot water for us to be able to shower quickly. And then turn it off because we don't need to keep it hot all the time.
Right, you hear that, y'all? Alright. Hey, so thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. It is a lawn care channel, okay? But I figured it is an important video for us to watch if we're like buying a generator for the house. Alright, so I just showed you the basics right here with the interlocking kit. Okay, or what else do they call distribution kits?
As far as I know, it's just a generator interlocking kit.
Generator interlocking kit, y'all. It's basic, y'all, okay? So, now we're going to go backwards, alright? We're going to go ahead and turn off the generator, and we got power on, power's back on and everything. So let's go and just start backwards, alright? So turn everything off. Okay, what else we got on? I turned on something else over here. That was a refrigerator.
I'm not sure what this is, the lights. I think you turned that on.
I turned those off. Where's our fridge at? Refrigerator.
The bottom. You turned that off already?
Refrigerator 27.
You turned that off already.
Okay. So everything's back. What's this, number 7? Gotta turn that back off. What are these, 10 and 12? Alright. Okay. So, with number 5, kitchen. Alright. We got everything back off, y'all. Okay. I'm going to turn the generator off. The generator part off right there. Okay. Bring it down.
Unplug it.
I'm going to unplug it first before I turn the main one on to the, what do you call it, to the house. I unplugged it. Turn back on the house power. Turn everything back on. Alright, y'all, that's it. And then we're done with the generator, which we're done with it. We'll just turn it off and put it back in the garage. Please like and subscribe. You already see all that stuff? No, I didn't. Okay. Like and subscribe, please. I hope you found this video very helpful and also entertaining to my lack of video etiquette and, you know, I say photogenic, videogenic. Alright. But hey, hope this found you helpful. Okay, I'll keep her house warm, your family warm, your pets warm. I'll keep the water water hot. Okay, for some hot showers. I'll keep the food in the fridge. All right, still cold. All right, meat won't go raw, meat won't go bad, cheese won't go bad, milk won't go bad. Why? Because you're using a interlocking kit with your generator to power up the house. Hey. Thanks for watching. God bless. And check out my lawn care videos. Bye.
AllCoastLawncare.